Making a phone call. Learn how to call someone, leave messages, and confirm plans by phone. Hi, Tom. It's Alice. Are you there?
Hi, Alice. I'm here. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm calling to confirm our meeting on Friday.
Sure. We plan to meet at the cafe at 4 p.m., right?
Yes, 4 p.m. at Greenleaf Cafe. But I have to move it to 5 p.m. Is that okay?
5 p.m. works for me. I'm available after 3:30.
Great. Also, I need to talk to you about the project details before then.
No problem. Should we meet earlier for a quick call?
How about tomorrow at 10 a.m.? I can call you then.
Tomorrow at 10 a.m. is perfect. I'll be free.
Wonderful. If you're busy, just leave me a voicemail and I'll call back.
Got it. By the way, did you get my email about the agenda?
Yes, I saw it. I'll review it tonight and send feedback.
Perfect. Thanks. One more thing, will you need the conference room?
No, we'll just talk online. I'll send you a Zoom link.
Great. I'll look out for it. So, to recap, quick call tomorrow at 10, then meeting Friday at 5 p.m.
Exactly. Thanks for adjusting. Talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks, Alice. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our next lesson.